How to turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Instagram app on your device. Tap profile icon at bottom right and tap menu icon at top right. Now navigate to Account Center at top of your screen. Scroll down and look for Password and Security option. Here you got the two-factor authentication option, select that. Now choose your Instagram account. If you haven't yet set your two-factor authentication, first let me show you a demo in order to turn on two-factor authentication. Here you need to choose a security method and tap on next button. You'll have to enter the confirmation code and tap next. Copy the code and let's enter it here. So the two-factor authentication has already been enabled. In order to disable that, you simply need to head to the same page, select SMS or WhatsApp and then toggle off the button. And here you will see turn off two-factor authentication. Simply tap on turn off and this will finally turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.